Hello friends, I want to ask you a question. Are you a recruiter who is looking out for a success in your current role? Are you an MBA or a fresh grad who is looking out to crack your first interview? Friends, I'm doing a workshop on sourcing skills on 29th of November, this Sunday. Sourcing is like the heart of a recruitment. This is like the way heart pumps blood into the body, a clean filtered blood. Similarly, sourcing pumps fresh talent into the recruitment life cycles. It's a mandatory skill for you. Friends, I'm Yogesh, your talent acquisition coach at RecruitOn. I have 17 years of work experience into talent acquisition, work with global MNCs. I have conducted more than 200 sessions and I've also trained 2000 plus recruitment professionals. I look forward to see you on 29th of November this Sunday.